Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my tutorial channel. It's Daniela here, and today I'm going to show you how to run the t-test for a population mean mu when sigma is unknown using the calculator TI-84 CE. And for t-test we have two types of question. One is when you are given the simple statistics, and one is when you are given the dataset. And we are going to use the function t-test on the calculator. So now let's take a look at the first type. A symbol of side n is equal to 80 drawn from a normal population. The symbol mean is 40.41. The symbol standard deviation is 6.8. With significant level is 0.05. Can we conclude that the true population mean is greater than 39? So let's summarize this question. Here we have the symbol mean, x bar is 40.41. The symbol size is 80, and we are given the symbol standard deviation, not the population standard deviation. S is given as 6.8 and sigma is not given. Alpha is 0.05. The null hypothesis here say that mu is equal to 39, and the alternate one is mu is greater than 39. We use a conclusion to make the alternate hypothesis. You see that? So this is a right tail test, right? Since sigma is not given, so we are going to use the t-test. So now let's take a look at my calculator. So this is my calculator. Now we want to run t-test, so hit on stat, choose test, and choose the second option, t-test. For the first type of question, we want to work with statistics, so hit on stat and enter the information. Mu naught is the number that you can find on the statement, so it should be 39. X bar is 40.41. Hit enter. The symbol standard deviation is 6.8. The symbol size is 80. And the alternate hypothesis here is the last option, the right tail. And then we hit calculate. So this is the result. We got the test statistics is 1.854621087, and the p-value is 0.03369 something. Remember, alpha is given at 0.05 in this problem. We see that the p-value is less than 0.05, so we reject the null hypothesis. That means there is sufficient evidence to claim that the population mean is greater than 39. So that is the first type. So that was the first type. Now if we are given the data set, let's say a random sample of 12 ounce milkshakes from 14 fast food restaurants had the following number of calories. Assume that the population is approximately normal. With significant level 0.01, can we state that the mean number of calories for all 12 ounce milkshakes sold at fast food restaurant is about 550. And this is the data set. Here we have a data set of 14 numbers, and using the claim, we have the null hypothesis is mu is equal to 550, and the alternate one is mu is not equal to 550. So this is two-tailed test, and alpha is 0.01. Since sigma is not given, we are going to use t-test. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Now for the second type, before you run the t-test, you have to enter the dataset. So hit on edit, choose the first option. Now let me enter the number. First 504, then 399, then 8 580, then 476, then 450, then 591, then 510, then 700, then 608, then 472, then 642, then 613, then 473, then 375. And now we hit on Stat, choose Test, and choose T-Test. Now we choose Dataset instead of Statistics. And mu naught here is 550. List L1, frequency 1. And the alternate hypothesis is the first option because it's two-tailed. And then hit calculate to get the p-value. Here the p-value is 0.4, which is greater than 0.01. So we do not reject the null hypothesis, and our conclusion is there is not sufficient evidence to conclude that the true mean, the true population mean, is different from 550. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.